What is up, boys and Susie's at sunset? Uh-oh. Can we beat him? Oh yeah, we can beat him. We are back a month later. Oh shit, a lot of cars. And we got some pickers. And we probably got some people that are going to be mad. What can we do about it? Oh, what up, horses? But yeah, it is me. It is me and me. Oh. And we're back, finally. After some bike issues, we're back in action. And that was the cop. Just gonna pretend I didn't see him. And I'm going in here.
Sounds good. Nice and jazzy, just the way I like it. Check it out now. These days lately got me stuck up in the conscious coma. Mad hazy but still rolling like a walking stroller. My life is just beginning, the world is mine for taking. So find me living right, summer nights, eggs and bacon. My boys rolling too, freestyling with my crew. I'm not saying your shit's old, but it's nothing new. I'm bringing plus signs, you uptight, I'm untied. I spit till I'm tongue-tied, then bask in the sunshine in July. The rain is over for the moment. I've been digging in the crates, smacking the shit out of opponents, rocking tanks on the daily. The pumps with some mids, giving daps to the homies. This is simply how I live, fuck the drama. Restless.
Alright guys, I'm out, so like the video, subscribe, and catch you guys next time. Peace. Oh, there we go. Oh.